Okay, first we're going to start off with surprise party reservations. So let's say this guy, guest, walks in and he doesn't tell you that he has a party joining him. So you end up making a regular reservation for him. And let's say this guy Todd walks in. Actually, what we're going to do here is we're going to hit a party reservation because Todd walks in and he says, well, I'm with Guess. So what you can do is open up here, and Guess is going to pay for everything. So I'm going to put his name here, Guess, or whoever is paying could be somebody else. And I'm going to add a room here. Make sure the dates are correct. And add a room here. And I'm going to hit group reserve. So now what I can do is grab this guy and click him to add party and go here. And that is going to move him into my party. So I'm going to open this one back up and see I have two guest tailors. But let's say the room in 202 is really, his name was Todd. So we're going to change his name. Todd Smith. Okay. So I'm going to save and close this. So that's how you get them into a party. Now sometimes you don't do this. You don't end up putting them into a party. And what happens is when you're doing POS items, you cannot, you can assign it to each individual room when they're in a party. But sometimes if somebody just does it a different way, I keep using the same name, but we'll use a different last name. And they just say add room, and you do it this way. Now, the problem with this is when you're doing a party reservation, so I have Todd Will here and here. When you're doing a POS items, POS items, you cannot assign the POS items to these rooms if you have created the group reservation like this. The only way that you can itemize the POS items is if you create the reservation for a party reservation like I just did with Guest Taylor. So let's say you have two rooms that are added together and you want to add POS points. So initially you're going to have to separate these rooms. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click and then hit extract split room as new reservation. And we're going to select the room that we're going to extract and split the reservation. So now they are individual reservations, and you can assign the charges accordingly. So you can go ahead and keep adding rooms if you want, but if you need to extract the rooms so you can add the POS items and the different charges separately, then all you'll need to do is right click and extract split room as reservation, choose the room and extract it from the existing reservation. So pretty simple to use.